Yeah, that's right, Solomon. When Santa does make his way into Kern County, it's going to be a bit of a wet one for him, and the rain has finally made its way to Bakersfield and really California as a whole. But before we get into that, let's take a look at some of our national temperatures that we're working with here. Northeast, 45 in New York, warmed up a little bit over in the Northeast. Towards the middle of the country, 69 in Dallas, 70 in San Antonio. But let's go ahead and dive into a little bit more of this storm that we're tracking here. And here's our satellite. Now, as we kind of zone out on what we're looking at here, really there are two atmospheric plumes that are converging as one that's coming up from Mexico, and then there's that's down in the south, and then there's one up north. This low pressure system and that atmospheric plume coming together to combine to kind of make this one larger storm that's really hitting almost of California as a whole, not just Kern County, but you can kind of see some of the rain totals that we're starting to look at here. For Bakersfield, about 1 to 2 inches, maybe more of rain is going to fall mostly from Wednesday into Thursday. But if you are traveling to down south to Orange County or to LA County, you can see how much more rain that they're expecting to get, and that can cause flooding, can really disrupt roadways, but just really ensure that you are using extra caution if you are going to be driving. You can see here there is a flood watch warnings for Fresno County, Kern County, Merced County, and Tulare County, and that is expected to last until Friday at about 4 p.m. and there's also that high wind warning. But as you can see here for the South Valley and much of Kern County, things are going to start to get a bit better as we head into the weekend and into next week. But for the time being, it's going to be a wet Christmas Eve and a wet Christmas Day. Not even the desert areas are going to really escape a lot of this rain. And we'll keep tracking that weather and that system here. But Solomon, for now, back to you.